Alright, so I've caused a feeding frenzy. We'll get Bestie to jump up on us. Alright, Bestie, where are you? Oh, there she is. Alright, here. Ready? You want to come sit on my lap? Hi, Red. Alright, Bestie, come on up. Oh, where are you? You gonna come? Oh, shoot. You're on my phone. Oh! Ow! So I get cut in the head. Hey, Bestie, get on my lap. Get on my lap. Get on my lap. Bestie, come here. Come here. Come here. Come here. Jeez. We're going crazy. Oh, tumble. We got a chicken fight. Bestie. Hey. Yes, there's more here, too. What are you doing? Look, I've got... Oh, you just jumping as Bestie gets up here. Hey, hang on. Look. Once Bestie eats, I will feed the rest of you. And no, it's not fair, but she's my favorite. Oh, I got the rooster in on it, too, yeah? Alright, Bestie, I'm going to need my other hand here in a sec. Hey. You're on my face. You're on my... Oh, you're on my arm. Here. Right? Gosh. You're crazy. What are you doing, Red? Are you bullying everyone else? Don't you dare bite my junk. Okay. Alright, here in a second I will tear some off for everybody else. That's all you get, Bestie, okay? Alright. Here it comes. Alright, Bestie, go! No, you've had enough. I'm gonna feed the others. No. You're trying to steal my bag. I see you trying to steal my bag. No. You've had enough. Okay? You get to eat way more than everybody else. I'll give you water here in a minute. Do you not hear your friends freaking out? Oh, special treatment. Hey, Red. Alright, Red. Hey. Red. There you go. Jeez. You are ridiculous. Okay, here. Hey. Oh my god. Can you imagine us being dinosaurs, like tearing somebody up? There you go. Alright, come here, ladies. There you go. Here, we'll throw a last little piece, and you guys have had enough. Oop. Hen fight. Alright. Just a day in the life with the neighborhood feral chickens. Hi, Bestie. Hi, Red. That's it. That's all I have. Come on. You don't want the bag. Come on.